excuse me. I'm terribly sorry you caught me. Jack Holloway, Ruth Eckerd Hall here with another Literature Online. As you can tell, it's late at night, and I've got a problem. I can't fall asleep. I've tried everything. I've tried sleepy time tea. I've tried counting sheep. I just can't get off to slumberland. So, this never works for me, but I've heard a story can do the trick. And this story is all about sleeping. Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson, illustrations by Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a hot, small spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with the chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night." "What a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear chew. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Oh, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. It's a great picture. The end. And you know what? I think that's the answer. I'm not gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna be like the friends. I'm gonna party all night. I'm gonna watch movies. I'm gonna play video games. I'm gonna read books. I'm gonna probably cook something. Oh, well, maybe I'll just close my eyes for like 5 minutes, and then right after that, I'm gonna just get to it. But until next time, take care of each other. Be safe, and I'll see you soon.